Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I am T and this is Julie. Today we are presenting to you another challenge and it's called
spicy
hot
chicken.
spicy
Hot and spicy. See, let me tell you guys a secret. I was gonna prepare this
Hey God.
and I added 3 different pepper.
3 different pepper.
Yes. The bell pepper.
This is pepper dem gango.
Yes, sir. The habanero pepper and I think the last one chili pepper. Yes, I added 3 different pepper to this, so it is spicy.
I've
actually not tasted it. So we have 8 pieces of chicken here. The person that eats the highest wins.
And no drinking water.
No drinking of water. But me, I don't like spicy stuff. So I'm with apple. So quench.
Babe.
This spicy.
Babe. If you drink capsule, your skull.
Okay, they say no drinking, but in case I choke, this is on standby.
Okay, let's get to it. And
person to eat the most.
I hope
In how
you
many minutes?
enjoy.
In how many minutes?
I will use the time.
We use time. We want to sleep.
For you.
Okay, don't let's use time. But yeah, we'll use time. So let's
We need
set.
to use time, babe. This thing is hot and spicy now.
Okay, we'll not use time. So the fastest. Are you ready?
I'm ready. Yeah,
5, 4, 3.
Look at it, I'm scared already.
Pum. If you like looking at it.
How does it taste?
Why? Put your hands up. Don't go.
I know what you're doing now, babe. Don't talk about anything. Are you serious right now? Babe? Should I go back 2? I'm 2. Number 1. Look how fast pepper in my eyes though. Babe, let's see me in this bowl. Number 2. Fear women. Number 2. This is number 2.
My mouth is burning.
1, 3, 1. This is where I'm sweating. Babe, 2 different pepper. I want to kiss somebody's son. Babe, I want to kiss somebody's son. You please don't let me laugh.
You thought you're plenty mouth. I'm already tearing up. Oh my god. You agree?
I don't know.
You agree?
I agree.
You agree?
I agree. Guys. The pepper is too much. I swear to God. You guys, I wish you guys can have a taste, like to see how peppery. I share people to couples after winning me. You guys are me.
Help me now.
I share people. Yeah, I share people.
Don't worry. This is spicy.
Guys, too spicy. Hot and spicy.
My nose is running.
She won. I agree.
4-2.
I was only able to eat 2 pieces of chicken and she ate 4.
Making math, you beat me.
She ate 4. And I was already making mouth. Guys, I hope you guys enjoy this challenge. You can try it out with your partner and see who the hood love is. See when she's tearing up like.
Funny enough, I don't like spicy food. But this challenge I must win it.
God.
See, my nose are running.
Hey guys, we'll catch you guys in the next video. Please stay tuned, subscribe, like and comment. We love you guys.